Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in Sydney, Australia, from Facebook page and sydneyclassified.org website. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Sydney, Australia and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So let this time check out the new and updated job. So guys, this is new updated job, customer service required in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Customer service required in Sydney. About the role. 3M are currently recruiting for an experienced customer service representative and data entry officer to join their customer resolution team. This is an exciting opportunity for a problem-solving individual. Your main duties and responsibilities will include investigating customer inquiries, order issues and complaints via phone and email, providing accurate responses in relation to product service knowledge, logistic and delivery timing, maintaining ownership of inquiry until resolved, investigating and completing processing of customer credit claims, creating returns note and liaising with external logistic personnel, re-pickups, investigating and completing processing of warranty and QC claims, supporting the cash and collection teams and providing backup for the accounts receivable and collection personnel. To success in this role, the successful candidate should meet the following criteria: excellent communication skills, speaking, listening and writing, 1 to 2 years experience in similar customer service role, ability to take ownership and make informed decision, experience in order entry of FMCG credit claim processing, sound investigative skills with great attention to detail, ideally some knowledge of logistic and warehouse operations, system, Salesforce, freight forwarder and career portal. This is a 12-month contract position with a possibility for extension. You must have full work wise in Australia to apply for this role. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So friends, customer support officer required. So friends, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV to this email address. And if you have any question about this job, so you can easily contact this number and ask question. So guys, salary and other benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So friends, you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So this website have many category jobs and daily basis updates, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page, and also new jobs links available in the description, so you can directly apply for the job. So friends, I hope you understand. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.